Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making air fryer chicken wings. Alright, I'm starting out here. I got some chicken wings, and I got a good deal on these when I got them. They were $1.99 a pound. And I got like 2 big family packs, broke them down and froze them. I'm just going to pat these dry with a paper towel because we want to get the moisture out of them. And you hear my air fryer in the background preheating. We're going to get nice and toasty warm for when we throw these in. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm going to separate these wings and clean them up a little bit. This little wing tip here, I'm going to trim that off of there, throw that away. Now you can save that for stock, but I'm not too worried about it. And I'm going to separate the drumette from the wing. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these all. I'm going to throw them in a big bowl over here. When I'm done doing that, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, now that I have my wings all separated and in that big bowl, I'm going to make my spice blend for on top of the wings. I'm going to start out with a teaspoon of baking powder. And what this does is it helps them get really crispy. I'm going to put in a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm just eyeballing that. Now I'm going to give this a stir, get it all blended together. Alright, I have my wings here in the bowl. I'm going to spray them down with some olive oil. It's going to do 2 things. It's going to help them crisp up in the air fryer, and it's also going to help that spice rub stick to them. And I'm going to hit them with a little more olive oil. And you just want to move around in there, get that oil massage through into them, because you want this spice to stick all over them. Alright, that's looking good. Now I'm going to take my spice rub and I'm going to sprinkle some on the chicken. And I'm going to move that around a little bit. Get the spice spread out nice and even on them. And I'm going to hit the other side. And it's quiet here today, guys. Holly's in her room taking a nap. She worked all day at a friend's bakery. My oldest one, Eric, he's down in Philadelphia at a concert with his friends. Or they went to see a movie down in Philadelphia. I guess a special premiere. My middle one, Greg, he's over at the gym. And my youngest one, Zach, he's up in his room either taking a nap or he's playing on his computer. I'm going to put the rest of my spice on here. It's nice when your kids are older because then you can enjoy quiet in the house. I remember when mine were little, I was always crying and yelling and running around, jumping, video games, all that crap. Alright, I'm going to set these aside for now, and I'm going to get my air fryer basket out. Alright, I'm using my Power XL because you can put the 2 baskets together as one. If you have a smaller air fryer, you might have to fry them in 2 batches. I'm going to spray this down with some olive oil quick. And I'm going to go ahead and place my wings in here. Alright, now that I have all my wings in, I'm going to hit them with a little bit of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. People that have been watching me, you know I love this stuff. So does Holly. This is optional, but I want to add an extra level of flavor to them. Now I'm going to get my drawer into the air fryer. Alright, I'm going to turn my air fryer on. I'm going to turn it up to 380. We're going to do these for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll go in and I'll turn these over so they brown evenly on both sides. Alright guys, my wings have cooked for 10 minutes. I washed my tongs so they're nice and clean. I'm going to turn them over. Alright, now that my wings are turned over, I'm going to hit the other side with a little more of that seasoning. And we're going to put them back in for another 10 minutes. Alright, I took my wings out, I turned them over one more time. Now I'm going to turn my air fryer up to 400 and give them 5 more minutes to get them good and crispy. Alright guys, my wings just came out. They're done. Nice and crispy, looking delicious. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Went ahead and garnished them with little parsley. Now you can do yours with sauce if you want any kind of sauce, barbecue, teriyaki, red hot. But I'm going to eat mine just like this. Let me get in here and try these bad boys out. Crispy, well seasoned. They're really good, guys. You get the garlic and pepper. The chicken's moist, juicy. The skin's crispy. Guys, those are really delicious and they're really easy. And all you're using is your air fryer and a bowl to mix the spices in with the chicken. Alright, there you have it. Air fryer chicken wings. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.